right, guys, let's do this right here, man. All right, guys, let me tell you something, man. You're a mechanical guy. He has to be savvy. He has to be, he's going to be your most technologically geeky type guy that you need to have on your scene. That's your mechanical guy. Your plumber, he needs to have a mindset. I don't know if that's his stuff right there. Nah, it's HVAC. Your plumber, his van is up there. He needs to be able to get things done. He needs to be able to think through things, but they don't need to be gouging out through your framing members. So I'm gonna go up here, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna see. I might get mad, I might not get mad, I might not catch things. I might catch things while we're going, but we're gonna have a lot of people up in here. So we got this right here. So we got a soffit siding. So these guys are doing their thing. We got young ladies on the scene too, guys. So we're getting that done. So they're getting that right there done. And guys, I like Hardy board, which is a cementitious board. And we're using this right here because it's really just a lot of glue, concrete mixed in together. So it carries the same function as brick. Notice here too, guys, I don't have any vents here, which means I'm gonna spray foam this whole house. Okay, so it sounds like somebody got some air in here. Hey man, how y'all doing? Return going right there, right? Return, the return. That's a return? Okay. Yeah. These in. The key to this right here, man, is they can't leak. That's the key to them. So you're getting the shower liners in. Other times you wanna, and guys, I'm using Delta fixtures. Most of these guys are gonna have Delta valves, so you get Delta valves, Delta fixtures. You got to make sure they're in the right place. That's one thing I always check. Make sure we got those in the right place. That one. And this one as well. They're getting these in, and they got to hold water. Sir. No. It's just a regular shower. Just a regular shower. We're gonna have the wand. We got a wand. Yeah. Yeah, maybe about right here. About right there. Yeah. This it's a little bit lower, but it's gonna do a regular shower head just like this, so that we can take a shower too if I want to.
Okay. Yeah, the plastic bag.
Yeah, plastic. Yeah.
So this is the no bag one.
Yeah. Just right here. Just right around here. Yeah. Just right here. Yeah. Just like that. Oh yeah. Guys, you got to always be available to answer those questions because ultimately, guys, you have the blueprint as to what you want done. You have the plan. We probably got gangbusters going on up here, so these guys are putting in duct work. What's up? Too hot? Out up here. Yeah. They're doing their thing. Once again, so the return is going to be right here, which is a really good place for the return, guys. Really good place because it's dealing with everything that goes on over in the master side. And I think the return will be. Where's the return going to go? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's a good place, good spot. He got his plumbing line right there. Does it have to be that big?
Sorry?
Is that plumbing line gonna mess with you guys?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Worst case scenario, we move it over a little bit. That's fine.
Probably, yeah, it'll probably be fine.
Well, you know, if you took this right here board off and took it and put it right here, that's about the same amount of space. You see?
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, just take that board, put it over here, and then we use this right here as a return. Yeah, we can do that. All right, buddy. Getting all that together, guys. Got all kind of water lines going on in here. Got my tub set. Okay. You good? Thank good. Okay. He's doing his thing, man. Soffit. He got getting all the soffit in first, and then we can go up with the siding. I can't wait to get this wall back here, man. All right, and this is what you want to see, guys. At the end of the day, it is what it is. And this is the way.